This incident occurred in the area of 7th Avenue and Willetta Street after Phoenix police received multiple reports of a male walking naked in the street. The man in this incident was later identified as 28-year-old Jesse Rickman. Here's the audio from two separate 911 calls Phoenix Police Communications received about a man that was seen walking in the street nude.
Phoenix 911, what is the address of your emergency?
I was actually on 7th Avenue in McDowell, and there was a guy walking down the street naked. He was going south down 7th Avenue towards McDowell. And he was in the median, like the middle lane, just walking down the street completely naked.
Phoenix 911, where is your emergency?
It's on 7th Avenue and I think it's Palm Lane. There's a guy running around naked.
Here is the body-worn camera from one of the first officers to arrive on scene. When the officers first saw Rickman, he was in the middle of the road, naked, making nonsensical comments, and appeared upset. Additional officers were called to the scene.
What's going on, man? Y'all good? Why you walking in the middle of the road?
Satan's trying to take me right now.
Huh?
Satan, the devil.
The devil's trying to take you?
You can't win.
So why are you in the middle of the road naked, though?
Because it's my world.
It's your world?
It's God's world. These are
God.
God's people. Express that motherfucker.
Okay. You're
You know
allowed.
who I am.
Huh?
You know who I am.
I don't know.
You can't win. You can't win. You can't win. I see you. I know you are.
Okay. Hey, relax. I'm just talking to you, man.
Express this motherfucker.
What's your name?
Express this motherfucker. Express. Express.
This dude's pretty aggravated.
United States. Rasta.
Okay. Take a breath. You're good, man.
You can't win. You can't win. I see
can't
through.
win.
I know you are.
Officers tried to detain Rickman to move him out of the roadway. He resisted, resulting in the struggle going to the ground. During the struggle, Rickman was kicking his legs and hissing at officers.
Control legs. Stop. Stop.
You can't win.
Stop.
You motherfuckers trying to take it? You can't take it.
Stop.
My world.
Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach.
My world.
Roll on your stomach.
I'm trying to destroy you, motherfucker. You can't win. You can't win. You can't win. You can't win. Express this motherfucker. Defend. Defend.
Roll him over.
I'm trying to destroy you. I'm trying to push your fucking head. I'm trying to destroy you. You can't win.
Grab his arm. Nope. Steve. We're good. Steve, control his legs. Get his legs, Steve. Get his legs. Sit on his legs.
You can't
Steve.
win. You can't win. You know
Sit
what
on
I
his
am?
legs.
You can't win.
Roll him over.
No, you ain't gonna do that to you.
You're gonna roll him
You
over.
ain't gonna do that to you.
You're gonna cradle his legs.
You ain't gonna do that. You can't win. You can't have this. You can't have it.
Roll.
Oof. It's my world. You're God's people.
Officers attempted to use pressure points on Rickman's mandible to gain compliance and redirect his face away from them to avoid the possibility of being spit on.
Roll over.
Here is video from one of the additional officers who arrived on scene and assisted with detaining Rickman.
You can't win. Express this motherfucker. Fuck you guys.
I got it. It's right
You guys can't win. You guys can't win. You think you win? You can't win. My world. You God's people. You want to push my foot? Defend. Defend. Express. United States Rasta. United States Rasta. United States Rasta.
It took officers about 3 minutes to place Rickman in handcuffs.
732 Mary work code for getting
Express this motherfucker.
anyone else doesn't need to step it up anymore.
Come on.
You can't win.
Woo!
Do we need fire?
have a bunny suit.
Might need one. Does it need fire or?
He's just like he's.
Fuck you guys.
I'm gonna set fire. Just
Yeah.
Express this motherfucker.
Let's throw fire.
They can't win.
Hey, get him off his
Yes.
Yeah, roll him over to the side.
someone's gonna rip.
Let's get him on his side right now.
Rickman was moved to his side in what is known as the recovery position, while officers on scene requested assistance from the Phoenix Fire Department. He remained in this position for approximately 3 minutes. Due to the earlier kicking, Rickman's legs were secured with a rip restraint, which was linked to his handcuffs. A spit hood was also placed on his head because Rickman had been hissing at officers. A rip restraint is a device to secure the legs of an individual to minimize their ability to kick. A spit hood is a mesh cloth material that prevents a person from spitting on others while still allowing them to breathe. Rickman was moved to a seated position on the sidewalk to be treated by the Phoenix Fire Department.
It's one of those like cool blue mats they gave us.
We never got one.
Get my head.
I got one.
You're trying to destroy me.
We can get him to the curb.
You're trying to destroy my fucking head. Hey, judge me, motherfucker.
Watch your leg, man.
Can't win. These motherfuckers can't win.
Sit down.
Why is that? This is my world. You guys, you motherfuckers can't win. You can't win.
After approximately 10 minutes, while being evaluated by the Phoenix Fire Department, an officer realized that Rickman had lost consciousness. The fire department began life-saving measures and transported Rickman to a local hospital, where he was subsequently pronounced deceased.